Patricia, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new. Happy Tuesday. So I figured because last week I showed you guys what I eat in a week on 75 hard, I'd flip it over this week and I'd show you how I train on a week of 75 hard. So as you saw, Monday was pretty chill. I like to start my week on a chill kind of session and then build it up throughout the week. So Mondays are always like my active rest days. So my first exercise was a beach walk and my second was a skate. Now today I'm going to do cardio, then on Wednesday it'll be cardio and weights, and I'll kind of build it up from there, and my hardest session is always on a Saturday. Today we've actually got a nice little cardio session. It normally does have boxing in it, so Tuesdays are normally my cardio with my boxing, but my shoulder isn't 100% yet. It's probably about 92% better now, so I just want to give it one more week of not doing anything too intense on my shoulder. So I'll just be doing the cardio today, but keep in mind that I normally would also do boxing on today as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys when I'm at the gym.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me.
Sick, let's move out. See you at the gym.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
actually at Technofunk right now. I've just finished my morning shift and I thought I would pop on and say hello. I hope you guys are enjoying today's video so far, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe. So as I said, I've just finished a morning class. I was coaching this morning, and now I think I'm going to go home and do some form of chill Pilates before I then come in and I'll actually do this afternoon's session. Since on the 75 hard you've actually got to complete 2 workouts, the way that I've split it is every single day I do one workout where I give like all of my energy. It's a really hard workout and I push myself, so either I come to Technofunk or I'll go for a run or something like that, Monday being the only exception. And then for my second workout I'll have like a real chill, kind of just like the intention's just moving my body. So whether that's a walk, I did handstand practices yesterday and stretching, and I found that that is helping a lot to kind of help with my recovery as well. Just doing something small and like just moving my body through different like easy movements as my second exercise. I found that that has kind of been the best way for me to tackle it, and I'm right at the end now. I think I've got like 2 more weeks and then we're done on the 75 hard. So that's how I've been consistently throughout this challenge, and that's just what's personally worked for me. Also in regards to my actual split for working out, so obviously Monday's an active rest day. You guys have kind of seen a glimpse into halfway through the week now already. I do try to make sure that I do 1 strong weight session per week, so that normally falls on a Friday, so you guys will see that tomorrow. I've got obviously the 2 different cardio classes, so I'll do one this afternoon and then I've got the other one on Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Saturday are my weights with my cardio. So that's kind of been my split. That's what's given me my kind of body transformation so far, and that's what's really worked for me. So hopefully you guys can find some inspiration in that, maybe that it can help you as well. But as always, just listen to your body and do whatever feels right. This video is purely for inspiration for you guys. But anyway, that is about it. I think I'm gonna head home now and do some kind of Pilates out in the sun now that the sun has come up. And then I'll see you guys a little bit later for a Technofunk workout. happy Saturday. So Jenna and I have just gotten back from an epic Saturday Technofunk session. It was honestly so much fun, but I'm completely destroyed after that. That is definitely for sure. She's just run inside because she's got a few things to get done today, but I wanted to quickly stay in the car and jump on film for you guys to wrap up today's video, because the next couple of exercises I don't think I'm going to be able to film because the clouds look so sad. It's also like cloudy and sad out there, and I think it's going to rain. So obviously, because the weather is like so sad and miserable right now, I don't really trust bringing my camera or getting my phone out when I go for my afternoon walks, because I'm going to be wearing a rain jacket, because 100% I got rained on yesterday and I'm definitely going to get rained on again today. So then for tomorrow, I will also be doing a walk for one of my workouts. I'm actually going down the coast a little bit later today to go and see Mike, so it'll be some kind of beach walk, and then my second workout will probably be some kind of chill like Pilates or like ab workout like I did on Thursday, getting me ready for the new week ahead. And that is a full week of workouts. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and got some value out of today's video, maybe got some inspiration for your own workouts or a little bit more motivated to go train yourself. If you did like today's video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because it really does support my channel and I really do appreciate it. But besides that, I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning or night whenever you're watching this. I look forward to bringing my next video really soon. Bye guys, love you lots.